Okay guys, my husband doesn't want to make a video, so I'm gonna make a video. So that's what's going on now. Look at that. It's white now. See? Gold chain. Gold. That. Look at that. Ooh, nice. And then, I don't know what he's doing there. He doesn't want to talk because he doesn't want to make a video. I just make one then. New wheels, tires. I go. Oh yeah, he painted this exhaust. Look at that. And new handlebar, new grips, new lever. Yeah. Aren't you talking?
I got nothing to say.
Oh my god. Okay. And this is the Piggy Wiggy now. It's still there. And then the 600 here. Still there. What else? Nothing. So that's what you're looking at. What's going on, Mahal? You have to talk, man.
I'm just putting all the new parts on, and I didn't think it'd make a very interesting video, so I just carried on without it.
Okay then.
And yeah, exhaust is cleaned up nice.
Oh yeah.
Cleaned all that up. And I put the new brake pipes on, the hell pipes.
Good, good.
The chain and sprockets.
Yeah, I've said that.
Yeah. Foot pegs and the gear shifter.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, and you've said about the exhaust.
Yeah, newly painted.
A lot of this bike was put together with the wrong parts and stuff. It's, you know,
What's
it's
that?
got that on it instead of a tank strap. So, no, I can't have that on it.
Yeah, it's pangit.
Yeah, get that off.
Because they don't want to buy that. How much is that?
Oh, it was for £8. So that's a Honda part.
Oh, very nice.
Because this now is going to be a bit of a stretch. Yet that part needs to come off. Okay, I'm going to have to get a screwdriver. Okay. Yeah, and things like this were... There's a guide there which holds the clutch cable. That was up on this mount, pushing against the oil pipe, and then the clutch cable was resting against the manifold, so that would have burned through eventually.
So what have you done?
Well, I put it in the right place. And also this side, the horn was on the wrong bracket. The horn was up on this bracket, and then this cable guide was on the horn bracket, pulling the clutch cable again against the manifold. So just small things like that. They've, you know, I like to put things in the right places.
You've done something there, the connection. What were you doing there?
Yeah, I had to make a new connection. I didn't want to break the Honda connections, cut it off, so I want to keep that. So the UFO wiring didn't come with a connector, so I'll show you what the kit I got now. So
Okay, I bought that kit, isn't it?
yeah.
Okay, let's have a look on that kit. You've been drinking my coffee?
So it's these connections here. So these fit a lot of Honda connections,
Ooh, look at that.
so you don't have to cut the old wires off. And
Okay, if you want some, we'll give you some.
so that's a 3-pin Honda connector. And if I show you, this is the original Honda backlight that fits into the bike, but the UFO comes with just 3 wires with no connector, so then these fit straight in.
Yeah, glad you have those.
Got the other side here.
Good. Okay.
And these are the pins. There you go inside then. So just by using these connections, it just keeps everything neat and tidy, and you haven't got any just taped up wires.
Alright, so that's the update. That's what's going on.
I'll ask
What
the
else?
viewers as well something
What?
they might be able to help me out with.
Okay. You have a question?
Yeah. Gotta find it in the book.
Big red pig.
This here, the diagram how the front wheel goes on.
Oh, what's the
So-
question?
Yeah. I'll show you on the bike first. Get the torch. As you can see, the spindle's not coming all the way through. It's just 3/4 of the way through. So I followed the book. And we got big spacer, big collar towards the wheel, small spacer. Then you got the gearbox, and then you got the spindle through. And as you can see, there's the big spacer, big collar pointing at the wheel, small spacer. And then this side, the gearbox and the spindle through. But it's not reaching through to the end. So what I want to know, are all 400s like that, or have I got the wrong width bearings in, or the wrong size spindle? Okay, maybe someone out there with a 400 can have a look, see if their spindle comes all the way through, and see what I've done wrong here.
Okay.
But as you can see in the book, that's how it is. You got the big collar, small collar, gearbox, spindle through. So maybe someone can help me there.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.